Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might make you shed a few tears literally. Have you ever wondered why chopping onions can turn you into a waterfall of emotions? Let's explore the science behind those tears and discover how to make the experience a little less tearful. When you slice into an onion, you break its cells, releasing a mix of enzymes and sulfur compounds. One of the key players here is an enzyme called allanase. This enzyme converts the amino acid sulfoxides into sulfenic acids, which are volatile and can quickly evaporate into the air. As these compounds waft up to your eyes, they react with the moisture there, forming sulfuric acid. Yes, you heard that right, sulfuric acid. This irritates your eyes, prompting them to produce tears as a defense mechanism. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now, you might be wondering why some onions make you cry more than others. It all comes down to the variety of onion and how they're grown. For instance, sweet onions, like Vidalias, have a lower concentration of these tear-inducing compounds compared to yellow or white onions. So, if you're looking to minimize the tears, opting for a sweeter variety might just do the trick. But don't worry, there are some handy tips to help you chop onions with fewer tears. One popular method is to chill the onion in the fridge for about 30 minutes before cutting. This slows down the release of those irritating compounds. Another trick is to cut the onion under running water or near a fan, which can help disperse the sulfur compounds before they reach your eyes. And if all else fails, wearing goggles can provide a barrier between your eyes and the onion's defenses. So, the next time you find yourself in a tearful onion situation, remember the science behind it. It's all part of the onion's natural defense system. And with a few simple tricks, you can keep those tears at bay. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and informative content. Until next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen adventures be tear-free.